Alright guys, so this is my 1980 Toyota four-wheel drive pickup. It was produced in 04 of 1980. They didn't call it an 81 back then. And it is a very, very basic pickup. This was, basically, what made Toyota popular around the world. The Hilux platform was based off of this same thing and had a diesel in, many various countries, but also, still had the gas 20R and 22R and, 22RE engines. This particular truck is a 4-speed manual and a 20R carbureted 4-cylinder engine. It's got a factory solid axle, locking hubs, is leaf springs front and rear, and yeah, she is a unit. So I'm gonna take you around her and explain to you a little bit, at least why I think that this truck is so special. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm gonna take you up under the hood, or bonnet, as some other people would say. And there she is, a work of art, a 20R engine. This one has a Weber carburetor on it, factory AC. It's obviously been, updated to, newer standards, but the AC, probably blows colder than any other vehicle that I have. And yeah, she's a unit right here. We got this truck out of Gulfport, Mississippi. It had really been in a barn for the better part of a decade, but still maintained and lightly driven around. So I don't really know her history before that, but she's here now, and we're gonna take care of her. She's gonna get off-roaded just a little bit, but we'll try and keep it pretty clean. As I said, a front solid axle up there, probably one of the coolest things about it. They had factory solid axles up until 1985. So 1985 was the last year of the solid axles Toyotas, in the pickups and the 4Runners, pretty much everything. So they still got them, in other places of the world, but not us. So this right here, guys, again, she's a unit. So we'll walk around her a little bit more. I'm pretty sure that the plan is to just treat the rust the best that we can, and then kind of throw a coat of a clear on it. The cab and the roof, and honestly the interior is in really good shape. The bed is kind of the roughest thing on it, which we've got some tables in there right now because we haul stuff, and then also a case of oil because we need that wherever that we go. But we're gonna probably cut the bed out, fix the rust there, just replace it. Interesting enough, Toyota still makes OEM bed panels for this bad boy, so we'll be ready to go. Basically, the underside, super clean. It could drive to California right now. I have no doubt it would take a week to get there and maybe 2 cases of oil, but we would get there just fine. We're probably gonna at least put it on some 33s or 35s, maybe do a re-gear, try and just bring her to her former glory with a little bit of modern touch, and just basically tuck her away and only drive her on Sundays. No, I'm just kidding. We'll put her through the paces sometimes. But yeah, guys, that's her 1980 Toyota pickup. Here's the inside. Absolutely, jamming right here. Like you're grooving when you're driving this thing, I'm telling you. We got to get a gas pedal thing there because it's just that little black lever right now. But basically, this bench seat, most comfortable thing ever. And she just starts right up. Look at that, runs like a top, ice cold AC. Even the dome light works on this thing. I mean, everything in here works. If I had a tape player, I'd make these speakers work. Or I do have a tape player, I just need a tape. And yeah, basically, I'm ready to go wherever. I've always, wanted to own one of these things. I've always wanted to own one of these things. You know, we had a 88 4Runner that you know, was really fun. It was already solid axle swapped, and you know, basically on 1 tons front and rear. So you know, it was just a bit of a different experience than, you know, being able to drive a pretty much stock one. But yeah, guys, I absolutely love this thing. We have a lot of plans for it. You'll see it on the channel at events. And yeah, let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you think we should do to the 80 pickup. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.